Ayogedde ogambye nti obulamu obuli single bunyuma. Should we send right now oli single?
Obulamu obuli single we bunyumira nti before you go into a relationship, Zebra, I am giving myself a lot of time to know how to handle myself as a single person. Okitegeera nti mbeera bwomu, let me first work on my emotions, how to handle myself, how to do this, so that when a right partner comes to me, okitegeera, I know how it's going to be.
Abantu baagala kumanya oli single right now.
I'm happy, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Abantu bali bamanyi omwami Henry. How would you say that right now oli single?
But I was on TV the other time and I told you I'm on a break. And it's very okay to be on a break. Everyone was saying, Banago mkazi, it is very okay to be on a break. Bana wawuliranga omugugu oyina ekintu owuliranga toli fine olabanga you're losing direction, go on a break. Tokaka tosika, because the more you pull strings muba mga kweswaza mugenda kola ensobi mugenda kuwabwa. So
Prima oli mu break pakaddi. Oli mu break pakaddi.
I am focusing on me. So focusing on me now.
You and Mr Henry nti ensonga zaaliwo nti obuzibu ko baba nti kuvano kugenda Dubai.
That's what you know. Buli omu kyamanya ekyo out there. I personally have my reasons. I have to go on a break. I have to learn how to handle myself. Bulungi nga sinagenda mu relationship ndala. Kane obudde nga mbenti kati Prima. Kati now when a right partner comes, I'm ready. I know how to handle my life, my emotions, my happiness, my joy, my sad times. Yeah.
Meaning you and Mr Henry no more?
Yeah, we're not. But not in a bad way. We are good.
Prima ni yakulabisanga ebiseera ebyo nga you and Mr Henry like as if nga mugamba relationship yammwe ye yabagalanda tegenda kuddamu kusangukawo.
Ngati yasangukawo ibbo.
Omusajja amukyawa. Omusajja amukyawa.
Buli omu yali yeetaga break to focus on their lives. Ibro fete twagenda mu relationship muwawa. Buli omu alina goal, buli omu alina dream. I'm so sure he's focusing on his dream, and I'm also trying to put my path right. I'm trying to focus on myself as well, my brand and everything. I see he's also focusing. I'm like, yeah, at the end of the day, it's going to make sense. We are up there. We are going to meet at the top.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're like, yeah, it makes sense now.
Finally, it ends in tears.
It is not tears.
Go, yeah.
It is not tears. I'll be crying. Now, waking up and say, let me focus on myself. I want the best for me and for him as well. I'm very sure we are going to meet on the top. You're focusing and it will make sense.
Ebintu ebigambibwa nti Mr Henry Twa ne changa nawe nti wagende Dubai no gabo lusania. How true is that?
Tuli just could break, you're focusing ku goals, relationship, life. Buli omu alina okumanya how to handle themselves. Bulungi to prepare ourselves for the next relationships. Yeah, that's how life is supposed to be. Relationship si ya kufiirako. Yeah, sintu si bya kwefiirako. Olina ogenda mu relationship nenga nawe olina goal olina kyoyagala okubeera. Ate nemekisa kisuula, when I get a relationship sasula what I want to be outside. I came along with me. So when I nalaba nkigyeko nnyo obwongo, I decided to go back at it and focus.
Oyinza okungamba nti gwe ne Mr Henry mwalina misunderstandings before?
No, tetwalina.
Wava from out of the blue no gama nti kangende mu break.
Bidala biveeko necho bamanya we are focusing on our.
People want to know Prima what happened really.
People should know I'm on a break. We are all focused on our goals.
Obo yagala kuddira baby daddy. You want to
No.
Because tulabe naku zino.
But I don't look like someone who can go back easily just like that. I'm not that confused. I'm not confused. I'm someone who knows what I want. I am someone who will stand up and say I want a break if I want it, and you have nothing to do with it because I'm a human being. Ndi mukazi mukulu. Lero machane mugamba baby nsaba ku break. Bakuntunga
ne Prima nga watijjanga ne Mr Henry.
Then
Snapchat ezifuka Snapchat no join ebifaananyi byo.
But when relationship mwali mwagala mbere ntya.
Wajjo ne ebifaananyi.
Postinga. Hey. Everything happens for a reason. And
Mutali amanyi relationship ya moteri gwao.
Yeah, it ended.
Atembo gwa ali osinga okwagala omusajja.
Fela try to yagala. Nga ate relationship teziba maaso ne tuva ku future goals zetuyina fenga abantu. Relationship tesa tuziba maaso. Tulina okusigala ku mulama zinyaganya sigala ku mulamwa. I want to be on a good pace. I've not lost focus. Chovana kama chene ngamba I want someone who's different from me.
Okay.
Shegeda nga not a mirror.
Ebanga lyobadde ne Mr Henry yali akunyizizaako.
Why you saying that? Right.
Because waberanga nnyo walaga nti olina omukwano
of course relationships zibamu understandings ne misunderstandings. No, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't.
Prima, wajjayo mbwe ebifaananyi bya Henry ku Instagram, ku Facebook.
Tuli ku break Ibra.
Kyogamba bw'oba ogenze mu break kikulagamba kujjayo bifaananyi byonna bya muntu enkolagana gye wayinawo kitegeeza toyagala kuddamu mulabako anymore everywhere.
Not in a bad way. I don't know why people. To me, it's normal. Like someone can wake up and say, "Let me have a break from a relationship and focus on me." It's so normal because I felt like I'm losing track. I'm so into a relationship. My relationship is in collab. We always get lost in them.
I know.
So nagamba katika so can college. Never more budde. It's okay and focusing and not in a bad way. No, not at all.
Baby daddy asubira okudda oba nedda. Kuba Prima tulaba George buli wabeera. Naku zina akwogerako. Bwaba agenze kuyimba ku Mama Soraj.
Have children and that is not going to end tomorrow. So tulina abana to respecting that relationship yabana. He's also in a relationship with someone else that I respect and I'm so happy that he's happy. Yeah, I don't even want anything to do with their relationship.
Prima zobeera mu relationship kati neno kati nayo
yakubiri mkwano ziri mekezi mbozobeera
kuba kati munnayo kyokuba nti odde eno nodde eri
relationship is try and error and then try again until you find the right person. Okitegeera
Henry teyali musajja mutuufu
toteka bigambo mu kamwa kange. What you have to know is relationship is a try and error.
Wali tokiraba mu kusooka okugenda mu nkwano ne Mr Henry maybe
I was just
right
not focused. I was just not focused. So I'm just focusing on me. Nature of my relationship try and error. So relationship it is very okay for me to move out and then get another relationship. I have to try.
Prima kigenda kutwalira bbanga ky'okubeera mu holiday. Ng'okyanoonya omusajja omutuufu okubeera
mwina naye sikitalekako nnyo bwongo. I don't want it to be out there. I want, if I have my man, to be there. Yeah, when I'm posting there, I'll post him, but not every time. I don't want it to be people's business. Now younger people's business is.
Lwaki ebiseera ebisinga nti oba oyawukanya n'omwagalwawo that moment ze mwalinawo zibanga remembrance especially muziteeka ku mitimbagano gyammwe egya Facebook, Instagram, whatsoever bwe mutuuka okwawukana n'ogenda n'ojjayo ebintu twalabye ne Shiragashumba yakoze ekintu kyaki
obadde obeera oyagala asigala avaayo n'otandika new life and new chapter nange omuntu tagenda kufa naye n'abantu bewasa myaka 10 ne bawukana and you get someone else.
Prima, do you think that you get the right person?
Yeah, because I know what I want and I'm not seated. I'm working for myself, so the right person will find me along the way. Yeah, and I'll get anyone who will bear with what I want. Yeah, and they bagenda kunkuba amigo kunkuba kwa face kuntimba
ekikutuukanga kekyo kukuba
byadde ebyo kati byadde byayita. That's like the past for me.
And by then we're in a George.
That's like the past. So right now I'm focusing on me. I love myself. If you love yourself, then because if you love yourself, you know how to love someone else. So I love myself. I'm going to keep loving myself. The right person will find me loving myself. And I'll love them as well.
Prima nga tunatera okumaliriza ekyokubanga you and Mr Henry tewakyali nkolagana yonna mwa exchanging ebintu bingi business wise n'ebintu ebirala byonna bye tutamanya ebitabayanga mu public tugambe nti in case nga akomyewo okugamba nti bamunaye this and this and this tosobola muwa kutunda omuga nti munaye baby kino kyenakola bwekiti
kutu
like tosobola muwa attention n'omugamba ebyaliwo tuddemu tweyagale. According to you guys,
we did have a fight, breaking up. We woke up and we had to focus on ourselves. Tetwara na tetwakolachi, tetwayomba. So let's respect that. Yeah, I'm just a call away in case he needs a friend. a business partner.
You guys are still like talking to each other.
I
still talking to each other.
Someone. Like breaking up is not a fight or something. I'm not supposed to fight with someone I was in love with. Why? I'm just a call away for business, for friendship, for advice, for anything. That's my business. That's my business. I beg.
You guys are you still in?
That's my business. That's my business.
Ne Prima. Lwakuba goganya okubulira abantu ekituufu. Ensonga zino okuva wava Dubai. Ezo scandals we zatandikira. Henry obujja ne bumukwata nga bagamba medimo. Mbu yali olusaniya lwo.
Omanyi about that Dubai issue, nobody knew what happened. But Ayogedde yali yo Dubai. So I'll leave the opinions to people.
Ekituufu ki Prima? Ekituufu ki? Tell the audience ekituufu. Omusajja n'akwatibwa obujja. Kuba ebifaananyi bye mwekubyanga ne medimo bye bimu ku byalaga nti munnange enswa mmya neya neemye.
Kuba ekifaananyi n'omusajja nga jasinyimiridde bwe nti mba nkoze eki.
And big and want like you guys you're still in touch with Medimo. Like you're communicating.
Bye bye.
Wanji? Okay, bako bugambo bwogambo musajja. Wali mu bulambu agenda okujja mu bulambu kozo ogambye. Sayo no tulaga omusajja.
Kambeko just obugambo ngamba bakazi out there. Byo musebe basajja byo kati nabyo mu mulamu.
Ne Prima mukyala anyiliranga ngoyinza weranga
nabyo mulamu naye bawala out there, please don't force relationships. Banete mukaka relationship omusajja nawe akulaga red flag. Amanyi ogena relationship ngoyina red flags zo. Musajja olina okubeera lengo ina red flag oziwanise kapapola. Musajja wakola relationship kino red flag nazimalayo ng'ogamba ono bye exit. You have to make sure you stick on your words, your standards. Basajja tebalina kubasukako.